On this video, I'm going to show you one of my first swing trade. And the thing for that, I'm not a technical advisor, and I am in the process of learning technical analysis and how to trade on the crypto world. Because for me, it's always been science by guru, obscure science, and I always stay far away from technical analysis and trading in general. But now I am ready to grasp this knowledge and to apply it in the real world, because my ultimate game for crypto trading in 2019 and beyond is to be able to generate a good stream of income for my online business. And I'm ready to absorb and to put my hands on the fires and learn the skills to make the ultimate goal, to make a profit. So yesterday I decided to put my hand on the fire with the Tether and Bitcoin trading pair, and I learned something very valuable from this trading pair, because one of the great benefit from both, because Tether is good for to keep you well, especially on a big bear market, and when the price go down, instead of to lose too many your credit portfolio and value decrease, you can put some part in Tether and keep you well in US value. So this is very fundamental, very great about this coin. But the thing is how you make money from Tether and Bitcoin trading pair, and I learning the hard way yesterday. So what I learned it yesterday, so if you want to accumulate more Bitcoin, especially on this trading pair, so yesterday I decided to sell $20 in US and Canadian value. So I sell probably around 420,000 Satoshi, so about $20 Canadian as yesterday, that was 14 February. And I did decide, I learned the hard way that the only way to accumulate more Bitcoin in this trading pair, you need to bet that the Bitcoin price go to decrease. So instead, I bet that if the Bitcoin price has touched probably the floor of 3,400 the 7th February, so it's a big change to come back to this level, from 3,600 to it can decrease drastically to 200. So I make a cut loss. I put a sell order for my Tether about 3,400. So as you know, I'm going probably, if this trade is successful, I would make 25,000 Satoshi in profit. It's not a big deal, but I think it's better to learn to go slowly but surely instead to put $1 million, because you can lose everything if you love to take too much risks and you don't have some strategy behind that. So my strategy is just to start slowly with small trade with high liquid asset like USD and Bitcoin, because if you go to altcoin, sometimes it's very risky, because some altcoin almost die and they lose about 90 to 95% of the value in 2019 and the beginning of 2019. So just to recap for this swing trading and swing trade, you always need to be patient. So at this stage, I'm not very familiar with the technical analysis, so I cannot say the trend or stuff like that, probably in the futures. But at this stage, I'm trying, just because my reasoning is, if the price has touched at one floor, is have a good chance to touch again the same floor. So for in this example, I buy $20 of Bitcoin. I sell $20 of Bitcoin in Canadian value to buy around 15 Tether yesterday. So I sell 420,000 Satoshi at 6,200 at 3,600 and I put a sell order of my Tether around 3,400 at Bitcoin value. So if the trade is successful, I'm going to make 25,000 Satoshi in profit. So I'm ready to wait a few weeks for that. So probably I just, God bless, that I'm going to win this bet. In the meantime, if you like what I'm doing, you can follow me on the Steem blockchain under Chez Satoshi. You can visit my outstanding website, chezsatoshi.com, and also you can subscribe to my new channel on YouTube under Chez Satoshi. And if you like what I'm doing, just follow me on those websites, or the social media, it will be a lot of to me. And also, at this stage, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing what I did. I'm not an expert in at this stage in technical analysis, so I just want to share my knowledge, why I'm learning, and this is a way for me to gain knowledge and wisdom in the process. Thank and see you on the next training video. Thanks. Bye bye.